Hi, I'm Dakota. Once upon a time, I was a pound puppy at the SPCA. Now I am a service dog. This is my story.
We were younger then. Used to play in the scene. We both pretend. But that was then.
Right after I was adopted, I went to dog school. I learned how to be good, mind my manners, and do special things for people with disabilities, especially my mom.
Time together, looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long time together, and the best is yet to come. We have seen the ones that could not make the grade, hiding broken hearts, living the masquerade. And if it's magic that we're weaving, let's not be afraid to sing our song of love that we've already made. It's been a good time together.
Close it.
I'm a big boy. I weigh 110 pounds. By being so big, I'm able to help my mom by picking her up and by pulling her manual wheelchair and carrying all of her stuff on my back.
I love working. I especially like to pull my mom on her skateboard or her wheelchair or anywhere that she needs to go. I love flying on airplanes and going to faraway places and having new experiences. That is what teamwork is all about. Me and Mom, we can travel and we don't need anybody's help because I can take care of her.
It's been a good time together.
Good boy, Dakota. Come on. Come on. All the way over. I know, he's so cute.
Poor baby.
He doesn't know what to do. He's sliding.
He's sliding.
Come on, babe. Oh my god, his paws are adorable.
He's sliding all over the place. That's so cute. Good job, buddy.
Good boy.
It's been a good time together. It's been a good time together. It's been a good time together. It's been a
Atlanta.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Delta Connection's pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate.
gonna be a long time together. I remember the beginning, we were younger then. We used to play in the scene, we both pretend. But that was then, and now our moments come again.
Are you going running in the mall? Nice and warm and not icy.
Looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long could not make the grade. Hiding broken hearts, living the masquerade. And if it's magic that we're weaving, let's not be afraid to sing our song of love that we've already made. 'Cause it's been a good time together, looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be alone.
I spend a lot of time at the hospital and the rehab center because Mom has a lot of medical appointments and, well, the wheelchairs and the prosthetic legs always need fixing. So sometimes I just have to be really patient so we can get out and play again.
So here we are together in tomorrow's dream. Strike up the band and play that old familiar theme.
Sometimes when I have my vest on, we do make an exception because they just love me so much and they are family.
Time together, looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long time together, and the best is yet to come. It's been a good time together. 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 It's been a good. It's been a good time together. Looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long time together, and the best is yet to come. I remember the beginning, we were younger then. Used to play in the scene, we both pretend. But that was then, and now our moments come again. So do we throw it all away? Is this the end? 'Cause it's been a good time together, looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long time.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's been a good time together, looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long time.
Thank you for watching my story. Remember, if I am out and I have my harness on and it says on it, "Do not pet me," please ignore me. If I have nothing on me, then I'm off duty. Please come say hi, because one can always have more friends.
That was then, and now our moments come again. So do we throw it all away? Is this the end? 'Cause it's been a good time together, looking for the warmth of the sun. Gonna be a long time together, and the best is yet to come.